So we're going to go to the plugins menu, which is accessible via view, or window, sorry, and then plugins. And here we're going to select Super Bloom. And if you don't see it, you can just type into the search bar and then go through and install it. Just double click on it and it should install it for you, but I've already got it, so I'll come out. And now click this icon here, this triangular icon for the Super Bloom. Now it's going to give you a preview in the actual toolbar itself. And here we can play with our threshold, depth, radius to adjust the reach and the amount and the intensity of the glow, and how much of the lighter parts of the image actually would generate the glow effect. And you can see by playing with the depth and radius, you can get some different effects, like how much it bleeds through to the back of the cloak in this case. And then there is a colorize button in case you wanted to have a specific color of the glow, instead of just using what the colours are in the native image. So if you wanted to try and add a different colour into that, you can do, and you can play around with that. But in this case, I just turned it off. Brightness, saturation, hue shift, they're exactly as they sound. You can adjust those to just tweak the area of the glow even more. And yeah, we could play around with this, try and take it into a slightly different direction. And then click Add to Document, and you'll see it's added it to a new layer on screen blending mode. So you can always turn it on and off, you can adjust the opacity, and you can manipulate it however you like.